today we're going to make a cappuccino, a nespresso machine.
Making the perfect cappuccino with our
nespresso machine.
Nespresso machine.
Yeah, and so you need a cup, of course. You can have sugar or sweeteners, or it doesn't matter, and some milk, of course. So first step, we need this thing.
And what does that thing do?
It swishes the milk, so it goes on the top. So guys, you need to put it up to this part. There. Come here. So you need to put it up that little, see that little thing up there? Let me see. Put it in until a bit too much. And that's how much you need. Then you put the lid on, of course. Then you put it in. And this is what the colour will make for a moment. Now I'll press that, yeah? No, I'll press this in.
Hang on, what are those things?
These are,
Turn your machine on then.
turn it on.
Yeah, just push the button, yeah? There you go, that's it. Right, what's that doing? What are we going to do here?
And this is a coffee menu, so you can choose any flavour. So I'll mostly go for...
These are called Nespresso pods.
Yeah, so I'll mostly go for the gold one. And you put it in, open that, you put it in this way, like that. Push it hard, slam it.
Right.
And then shall I press that one now? Huh? And then we put some sweeteners in, of course. Put 2 in, because it'll be healthier. No, 1. Yeah, 2. Then I'll just wait for a couple of minutes. Now I'll press it. And this is what happens. 3, 2, 1. I just need to press it again.
Yeah.
There's only 1 drop right there.
Hang on, this has turned out to be a fail. Oh, hang on. Oh, what do we need to make cappuccino, son? We need our water, which we've left here.
Nah, this is your fault.
That's alright. We can fix this.
We can fix this, guys. Oh, there's 1 little drop.
Right. So, water.
Water and it's cold. Is it cold or hot?
It's,
I think it's cold.
we got bloody thing out there.
Why even is that thing? Open can. Ow, it's hot. The kettle's hot.
Right.
Take.
There we go.
Guys.
We've got our water tank in.
Take 2.
Right.
See?
Excellent.
It's a good sign.
How's our milk looking, son?
Our milk's finished.
Alright, okay.
Well, should we just wait this until it's finished? But it doesn't look that much. But when you put the milk in, they have froth as well. Froth. Wow.
Right. What about the spoon?
Just use a small spoon for starters, small one, because if you do a big one, then it will turn not normal, but small is easy. Then you just do that, and tap it. It doesn't matter if it goes on there though.
No, because I'll clean it anyway.
Yeah.
Well, let's check out this milk.
So it looks like that. It looks very disgusting, but when you pour it, it's fine.
Frothy milk. Give it a little stir.
When you don't know.
Oh, that is some serious froth.
And look how much froth there is. And that. What's that? I love the froth. It's very nice. And
Chocolate sprinkles?
couple sprinkles.
No, chocolate sprinkles.
And that.
Up there.
Where?
The Cadbury's chocolate sprinkles.
Oh, right there.
So be careful when you open that. That's it. No! Use your finger, a little pinch of it, fool. Wow.
And 1 second, not yet. Very useless, guys. I don't even know what. And that's how to make a cappuccino, which is glorious.
Glorious.
Glorious. So that's how to make a cappuccino. Hope you enjoyed, and Yeah. Have a good time. And yeah, bye.